In this video, I'll show you how to change a Facebook event from private to public, and I'll also explain an important limitation you need to know before you try to do it. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account that created the event. From your home screen, go to the Events section, then find and open the event you want to change. Once the event page loads, click on the Edit option to view the event details. Now, this is the key thing to understand. On Facebook, once an event is created as private, public, or group-based, you cannot change that visibility setting afterward. If your event was originally created as private, you'll notice that the privacy option is grayed out and cannot be edited. The same applies if the event was created as public or tied to a group. Facebook locks this setting to prevent abuse and spam. So if your event is private and you want it to be public, the only safe and legitimate options are these. The first option is to delete the existing private event and then create a brand new event, making sure to select public during the creation process. When creating the new event, you'll choose your event type, add the location, date, and details, and when you reach the Who Can See It section, select public, so anyone on or off Facebook can view and access it using a link. The second option, if you don't want to delete the original event, is to create a second event. In this case, you keep the private event for invited guests and then create a separate public event with the same details. You can then share updates on both events or direct people to the public one if you want wider visibility. If your goal is to reach more people, remember that public events can be shared outside Facebook, through links, messages, or even email, while private events are limited to invited users only. That's why it's important to choose the correct event visibility before publishing the event. That's everything you need to know about changing a Facebook event from private to public, and why Facebook doesn't allow direct changes after creation. If you're managing events or accessing Facebook on public or shared networks, it's also smart to protect your account and activity. A tool like NordVPN helps secure your connection and keep your data private online. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.